it's your VA ate in Spain, and I'm definitely feeling better. So I will try to answer all of the comments you guys left for me. So, ate, carry lang ba daw ang multiple client na i-declare or yung minimum income ba kailangan from single client lang? So, no, okay lang yung multiple clients. Pero of course, kailangan mapakita mo din na hindi naman yung sobrang daming client na mga 10 to reach the minimum income requirement. Unless mga 10 din kayo, yung 10 din yung dependents mo, ganyan. So, definitely, pag-isipan mo din, evaluate mo if you're not gonna take the free consultation call, i-evaluate mo sa sarili mo if this makes sense. Parang on their end, like sa ano nila, na okay, mukha siyang stable, employable siya, and she's making a good amount of money sa work. So, kailangan mo yun medyo i-consider, I believe. So, ayun, not necessarily na kailangan single client, but I wouldn't say na 10 clients ganun yung i-declare mo, and that's gonna look okay, ganyan. So, I would say, maybe 5, depende kasi kung marami kang dependents eh. Pero I would say mga 5, medyo, ano na yun, cap na, okay, madami kang clients, ganyan. Hope that helps! Thank you so much for watching. Ciao!